Standard PETG fails at exactly the moment you need it most, when a jig gets warm, when a bracket takes a hit, or when an enclosure sits too close to a power supply. If you've ever watched a functional part crack along layer lines or sag in summer heat, you already know why PETG Plus exists. The best PETG Plus filaments push heat deflection from the usual 75 degrees up to 85 Celsius, and they add impact modifiers that turn brittle failures into recoverable flex. After testing 6 brands, 3 stood out. Polymaker PolyMax PETG delivers 82-degree heat resistance and 30% stronger layer adhesion than standard spools. It's the all-around pick for functional parts. For maximum heat tolerance, 3DX Tech ThermaX PETG-HT hits 85 degrees and handles continuous thermal exposure. And if budget matters, Overture PETG Pro gives you 78-degree HDT at just $24 per kilo. The trade-off? PETG Plus strings a bit more and costs $6 to $12 extra per spool. But if your parts see real mechanical stress or heat above 65 degrees, the upgrade pays for itself the first time a print survives instead of shatters. Check the full guide at NozzleDown.com, link in the description.